Hello guys, this video is going about my self introduction and introduction about what I have done in my life, what I have faced in my life, till now what I have done so that I am here. So let's begin. Hello guys, my name is Vanshdeep. I am born in a middle class family on 28 December 2004 with a smile on a face and has many dreams. I am born in a family of 5 members living with my mother, father, me, my elder brother and sister. My elder brother is pursuing BTech in mechanical engineering. My mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer. And I am a 18 years old boy pursuing BTech in computer science engineering in NIT Raipur. I am from small village of Haryana which is at the border of the Punjab, so my native language is Punjabi. My village is small in both population and area. Around 730 people live in this village. Most people are farmers. Some of them do jobs. Many students of my age are are going to foreign and leaving India. I live in a village with less population, less pollution, with much greenery, so I can breathe with in a fresh air. I have done my schooling from two schools, with one is which is nearby my village and other which is in the city. I have done my primary education from nursery to second standard at the school which is in the city, and then I shifted to a school which is in nearby village. There I done my education till 10th standard. And the 5th standard I met a friend which helped a lot in my life, which has changed my life. I don't, before meeting him, I don't know what really education is. But after meeting him, I know the meaning and I started loving about what is I started loving in studying. Till now, at 10th class, I don't know what to do in life, how to achieve my dreams. But at the same time, my elder brother, which is 4 years older than me, has given JEE exam. From there, I came to know about the JEE exam and engineering, and he started telling me about giving me knowledge about the JEE exam and engineering and started motivating me. So I started preparing for this exam, and as he has done preparation from online from YouTube Physics Wala, he also preferred me to do preparation from Physics Wala. But it was it the time has gone. I was in 12th class when I joined Lakshya JEE batch and started preparing for the JEE exam. As during my preparation, I was also going to school. I had to wake up early in morning and had to go to school, which waste a lot of time as the teachers only teaches for the board. So it was not good for me to go to schools, which wasted a lot of time for me. Being very honest, NIT Raipur was not my first preference. My first preference is MNIT Allahabad. I have failed the choices in JOSA counseling according to previous year cutoff, but I was not able to get MNIT Allahabad. But as saying that you are destined where you have to be. And in JOSA's second round, I have got NIT Raipur. When I searched about NIT Raipur, I was very happy that the campus is of 100 acres with green fields, and I was happy because I want to live in a fresh air, breathe in a fresh air. So here I can do so. But I become sad on further searching that only few students in the college uh, got hostel. But on further searching, I was shocked that the placements of this NIT is too much shocking that the average package for CSC is around 17 lakh, which was very good. So I started my 4 year journey of BTech from here. When I reached the railway station of the Raipur, the railway station was similar to the railway station of the bigger cities. I think that the city was very clean, but when I came out to the railway station, I saw that it was not much clean. But after some days, when I visit for tourism to the Raipur, I found that the city was really clean, as there are too much places which I have enjoyed. That there are too much places for tourism like Naya Raipur have international stadium, international hockey stadium, international cricket stadium, and swimming pool, etc. And the area around the NIT Raipur and some of the as there are the educational institute around it and a central library around it. Behind NIT Raipur there was a railway station and there was a running stadium which which attract me very well. But when I go out for the street food to enjoy it, I found that the street food was not much good. But and I visited very much hotels. I found that the food of this place is not much good as in the Haryana. The food that I have enjoyed, I missed it a lot here. College life is very different from school life. In school life, there are teachers which run behind the students and entertain them. The teachers tells to the student what is good for their and what to choose and what not to choose. But this is exact opposite in the college life. There are a large number of departments, there are large number of professors, and there is no one to ask us to end classes, but instead there is a 75% of attendance criteria. There is no one to tell what is good for your life and what to choose and what to do. There are large number of fests and events are organized in this college life. College life and school life are not to be compared. They are both two different parts of the life. The best part of the college life is the hostel life, which we spend in a hostel. When I was allotted hostel, I made a people students of diverse culture which are from the different parts of the country. That is why we are different these things. But the thing unites us is the cricket match, which is seen in the hostel match till 12 p.m. as it goes on. Everyone is everyone is shouting on the sixes, on the shots done by the different cricketers. The food of the mess was not good, but I think it was much better than I was expected. The sports facilities like the volleyball, badminton, etc. are very good, and the students, my hostel roommates, and other roommates also sit in a single room and do conversations on different topics. They tell about their different states, and they tell that their state is good, and there is a clash between them in these conversations. So I think the best part of the college life is the hostel life which we spend in hostel. My views about my experience is mixed, as it was a sad condition as this world was suffering from a pandemic of COVID. But it was a good, I think it was a good for me that, because before the COVID-19 I had to go to school, come back, it and the teachers only tell about the boards, and it does not help me in the my JEE preparation. So it wasted I think it wasted my time. But in the COVID time there was a lockdown, I was at home. I will I It was a much time for me to boost my preparations. I am that why I am here, because I think due to COVID-19 it was lockdown and I was able to do my preparation better. One thing that I want to bring change in is that the education is only limited to some parts of the country, and I want to bring change in it, that until I die, I I was I can do something that education has reached the every part of the country and every person become literate. So here we come to the end of the video. Thank you.